Look, that's your question, and you want to convert this angle to decimal degrees. You're given degrees, minutes, and seconds. This is a whole lot like a clock where you have hours, minutes, and seconds. An hour is 60 minutes, and also an hour equals 3,600 seconds. And so they're kind of indicated here. You're dividing by 60 and 3,600. So to convert 50 minutes to degree, or like on a clock, if you want to convert 50 minutes to an hour, you would divide it by 60. So 50 minutes is 0.83333 repeating degrees. If I put the degree symbol on here, it'll be that little circle on both of these. Now this is seconds. To convert seconds to hours or seconds to minutes, there's 3,600 seconds in an hour or 3,600 seconds in a degree. So if you take 17 divided by 3,600, that'll give you how many degrees you have. And so I already put it in there. It's 0.40047. I round them to 4 places, and they want 4. They wanted 4 places, so I'm rounding to 5 temporarily. Then I add these columns here. Add that column, that's a 5. Add this column, that's a 10. You carry 1, that's 8. Bring down the 3 and the 8. And if you round this to 4 decimals, since that's a 5, this will become a 1. That's where the 0.8381 comes from. This is the sum of these two. You got to watch your rounding there. And in the 25 degrees, minus 25 degrees, you just bring it down. It's already degrees. You're converting this part. This is less than 1 degree. It actually comes out to be 0.8381 degrees. Hope this helps.